Hey, welcome to my VidStory AI review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful storytelling tool that lets you create animated videos, audio stories, and storybooks in just seconds using AI. And here's the exciting part. You don't need video editing skills, voiceover talent, or any design experience to get started. Just type your idea and let VidStory AI bring it to life. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best tools that actually work. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your results with VidStory AI. Check the description for full details before they're gone. So, what is VidStory AI? VidStory AI is a cloud-based app that turns any idea, keyword, or URL into an animated video, a realistic audio story, a beautiful storybook, all in 100 plus languages with stunning visuals, music, and subtitles, all in less than 40 seconds. It's perfect for marketers, authors, freelancers, educators, and even content creators who want to dominate YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Kindle, Etsy, and more. No writing, no problem. No voiceover, no worries. VidStory AI does it all, instantly. Standout features that caught my eye: one-click story creation. Just type your idea and get a full video, audio, and book. Realistic voiceovers. Emotional voices that sound better than robotic AI tools. Drag and drop visual editor. Fine-tune your scenes if you want extra polish. Multi-platform ready. Use your content on YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, Amazon, and more. 100 plus language support. Go global with your stories. Commercial license included. Sell stories, videos, or audio, and keep 100% profits. How it works? Super simple. 1. Log into your VidStory AI dashboard. 2. Enter a title, prompt, or idea. 3. Hit generate, and boom! Your video, audio, and storybook are ready. No technical skills needed. Just let AI handle everything. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some optional upgrades to enhance your results. Here's a quick breakdown. OTO 1, Unlimited Edition, 47. Remove all usage limits and create unlimited stories. A must if you're serious about scaling. OTO 2, AI Music Edition, $37. Generate unique AI music tracks to add emotion and energy to your videos. OTO 3, Visual Edition, $37. Unlock premium visuals and illustration styles for next level storytelling. OTO 4, DFY Edition, $97. Get pre-made stories, video content, and ready to sell assets so you can launch instantly. OTO 5, Agency Edition, $37. Manage multiple client accounts and offer storytelling as a service. OTO 6, Reseller Edition, $197. Sell VidStory AI and keep 100% of the profits. OTO 7, White Label Edition, $197. Fully rebrand and launch your own version of this software. Your logo, your name, your business. Pick the ones that suit your goals and skip the rest. What I love about VidStory AI. Perfect for beginners, no tech skills. Needed AI handles voiceovers, visuals and story formatting multiple formats. Video, audio, book, from a single prompt. Commercial rights, they saw endless income opportunities. What could be better? While VidStory AI is powerful, it's not built for advanced video editing. If you need a full control over transitions, layers, or 3D animations, you may need to pair it with Pro Tools. That said, it's perfect for 95% of marketers, creators, and storytellers looking for speed, simplicity, and profits. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're looking to create high-quality content fast, tell stories that connect emotionally, or even sell content on platforms like YouTube, Etsy, or Amazon, VidStory AI is a game changer. For a one-time low price, you get access to a tool that usually costs hundreds in voiceover, design, and production fees. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my VidStory AI review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest, no BS reviews that help you grow your online income. See you in the next video.